Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine. Here we have a book of art mind for step 4. Today we are going to do page number 11. Here you can see a view. We need to complete the scene by completing the right side sheet. For completing this scene, we need a pencil, a scale and pencil colors. Now see the triangle on the right side and draw a half horizontal line on the upper side of triangle. Draw two vertical lines at the ends of this new horizontal line and make a box. Like this. Now complete your drawing by making smokestack and smoke. We have done this scene. Now let's start coloring. In the lower rectangle, I will use brown color. Students, make the stalk in one direction only. In the upper box, we will use blue color. In the smokestack, I will use pink color, and in the smoke, I will use black color. You have to enjoy this scene. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.